There was an earthquake today which was recorded at 7.5 on the Richter scale that shook North India after tremors were felt in New Delhi and the surrounding regions. People were seen running out of offices in Noida. Phone lines were down in Srinagar as well. The epicenter was reported to have been northern Pakistan in the Hindu Kush mountain ranges. Massive tremors were felt in Pakistan, although the extent of casualties have not been reported yet, but it is expected to be high considering the magnitude of the quake. Here are some reports where the tremors were felt in India.
There were some aftershocks here at Chandigarh also. Now, the meteorological department has confirmed. They say that it was just for a duration of around 1 minute to 2 minutes, and the tremors were very mild here in Chandigarh because the epicenter was far away. But indeed, there was a lot of panic in the area when this whole incident was occurring. There was this whole area was crowded by people. People had come out from their offices and they were standing downstairs, and there was a lot of panic in the region. If you talk about the region itself, that is Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, we were talking to the Himachal people also. They've told us that there was mild tremors which were felt in the Himachal region, although no damage has been reported as of now from the region. But indeed, the tremors were really mild, and there was a lot of panic among the people in this area. People had really come out from their houses. Indeed, if we talk about the situation right now, it's totally calm in this region.
As we stepped out of our building because of the strong tremors that we felt inside, we came down, and here several auto rickshaws parked outside felt the tremors too. भैया अभी भूकंप आया था, आपको झटके महसूस हुए? इतना ज्यादा झटके थे कि थोड़े थे?
थोड़ा ही था, ज्यादा नहीं।
ज्यादा नहीं था? अच्छा, आप घबराए थे कि नहीं?
मैं तो घबराया, तो सभी लोग घबराए थे, मैं भी घबराया।
आपको भी झटके महसूस हुए थे?
हाँ जी, झटके तो महसूस हुए थे।
इतनी तेज झटके पहले कभी देखे थे आपने दिल्ली में?
नहीं, पहले नहीं देखे थे, अभी की बार ज्यादा आया है।
तो आपने क्या किया?
कुछ नहीं, खड़े हो गए थे दूर, बिल्डिंग से दूर खड़े हो गए थे।
So several people here feeling the impact of the tremors in New Delhi, with the tremors really measuring 7.7 on the Richter scale. The impact could be seen inside the building and outside on the streets as well.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.